recording. Okay, can you see the file? Oh, I have to say share now. Okay, so this is going to be our parting activity for today. Let me I have to keep referring to the time. We haven't done conversions yet, so I'll leave the conversions for the next class. Can you all see this activity?
Yes.
Okay, let me try to zoom in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on this together. When I say we, I mean mostly you guys. But how do I minimize this? And then zoom this in, plus, 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 plus. Okay, we learned about what an element was, what a compound was, right? Element, the circles can be together or apart, but they have to be the same color. What a compound is. So we're told here, classify each of the pictures below by placing the correct label in the blanks below. A for elements, B for compound, C for mixture of elements. So if you have more than one element, you put the letter C. D for mixture of compounds. So what I'm going to have you guys do, because you can see my screen, right? I'm going to have you guys write. I know it's just two of you, but that means more for you to work on. Yay, right? Okay, I am going to do, how about this? I will do number 1 and number 2. Okay. So for me, you see, I just click on pencil and I click on the color. So I am going to pick red color. Okay. So pencil, color, and then I'm going to write here. You have to write with your mouse. You don't have to have a stylus, just your mouse. These are all compounds to me because they're the same. They're different circles, right? There are many, but one of them is a different color. So this is a compound. For that reason, I will say this is a, oh, but they're the same compound, right? So I will say this is a compound, letter B here. It's the same compound over and over and over and over again. And then number 2, this is a single element here. This is another element, but they're not the same. They're different color elements. They're elements, but they're different color elements. So now say it's a mixture of elements. So I'll put C here. Okay. So I want you guys to go through. Doesn't matter which one you work on. Just you can work at the same time. Oh, there. Look at that. Okay,
That
there.
was horrible. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Oh, don't press erase because I haven't figured out how to clear it. It clears the whole thing. So
Oh,
just
okay.
scribble like that and then write it next to it. No, it takes a while to get used to writing with a mouse. I've been doing it for almost a year now.
It's like when I try to go up, it goes down. That makes
Right.
sense. I'm trying to write up
What?
here.
It's not yeah, it's not aligned. Yeah, there's an alignment issue. No, I
Oh, you're
understand.
right. It does. Oh wait, it's because you have to zoom out. I was zoomed
Oh, you
in.
do? Oh.
You were zoomed in, weren't you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it
Okay,
works
hold
now.
on.
So on number 3, that's 2 elements, right?
3? Hmm. How do we know it's an element?
I mean, wait. Well,
No, I think that's the E. I think that's E.
I
It's like a
thought
mixture of
that is an
elements and
element. The two
compounds.
circles, same color together.
Yeah, this one, the one you circled, that's the element. But what about the other one? This one here. Can you see
Compound.
my Yes, so it's element. So that's what I'm saying.
Oh,
I like to
mixture.
label it right, mixture. So you go with E, mixture of elements and compounds.
So is 7 right? Did I get that one right?
7. Let's see. Let me see. 5 looks good. That's A, right? And then
Yes, I'm
7
sorry.
is no. Remember
No.
that they're the same. They're still elements. As long if
Oh,
those
yes,
yes, if
I'm
they're the
sorry.
same, yeah, that's okay. That's what we do
That's
in this
A.
practice, right?
Okay.
7 will be still diatomic elements, the elements that like to exist as twins,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that would be A.
Okay.
I put D on 12.
Okay, 12. Let me scroll down. Oh, so you guys can see you okay, you guys can control the screen. Now I see. What is D? D is mixture of compounds. Yes, very good. D, right? Because yeah, because this one here does not match that. You have Black, white, white. Black, black, white. Yep. So two different types of compounds. Yeah, very good. What
Mm,
else?
is this one E? 9?
Nine is E. E is element. Mm-mm.
No,
So which one is the you do you keep
because
thinking this? This is still
the
element,
element. Oh my God, why do I keep doing that? I literally just
right?
looked at 7 and then
I
went back
know.
and just completely forgot.
I
So
know
it's a
it's,
mixture of
it's
elements, so
element,
it's C.
but that's what we're doing this. But you see what your mind is doing, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
confusing
that's why we're doing this. So I usually like to label it because I'm the kind of person who visually gets distracted. And it's not like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just distracted. Like you see all those circles all over the place, and I'm like, oh, where am I? So
me.
I
Hmm.
like to label it to help my mind to focus. Like when I see this structure here, this is an element. C
Did I
by
get
itself,
13,
element.
14 right? Because they're both the same, and I'm like,
Yes, yes. 13, 14 is DD. Yep. See, once you get the hang of it, right? It's not that bad. Don't forget what you're learning right now. But you see how you have to know the criteria, right? And then you can pick it out
Hmm.
wherever you see it. Yeah.
So since 6 is C, is 11 C?
Six is C. What is C? C is compound, right? I don't even have this list memorized.
C is
Okay, yeah.
mixture of
Yeah.
elements.
Six is C. 11 is C. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, 11 is C. Yeah, 15 is D. Uh-huh.
So these right here are elements,
What number
and
are you referring?
these right here, huh? 10, sorry.
Oh, 10. Okay. Yes, yes. The two circles, the same. Yeah.
Okay, and then
Same
this right
as
here is still an element, so it don't
no,
make.
those are different because you have the black color and the white. So same color is element.
I think
Same
11
color.
is wrong because there's black and white circles.
Oh, compound.
Isn't that
But
what
you
you
meant
put
to
on
write
there?
B.
Oh, sorry. I thought you put C for compound. Yeah. I mean, you said compound, but you put C.
Yeah, that's why I was confused.
Okay, I see
The
what you
letters
did.
are
So
different on top.
I see what you're saying. Right. Thank you for that.
Wait,
Six
what
is
happened?
B. Six is B for compound. It's not C for compound. I see what you're doing. Thank you for that, Jordan. Six is B for compound. 11 is B for compound. We're not
Oh,
going by
okay.
C for compound. You said the word compound, and I just went along with it, but the letters are B. You have to go by the letters up there. Don't worry, your homework will not be that confusing. You just follow the letters that are assigned up there versus yeah. So it's but
Okay,
11 is a
so
compound. You said it right. You just wrote the wrong letter.
oh, okay. So
Yeah.
10 is E, mixture of elements and compounds.
Yes. 10 is E. Yeah. Whatever E is, but it is elements and compounds. Yeah. And then we still have to assign 8.
This is elements, and these are compounds.
Yes. So you see that
So this is E.
E again. And then 4.
Is that D?
What is D?
Mixture
Mixture
of
of
compounds.
compounds. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. I'm less concerned about these letters than I am about you understanding this right here. But it does help if you get the right letters, right? It's less confusing that way. But yeah, so the purpose is to know how to read this. In the next lesson, let's see. The next lesson we'll be working on um let me see when things are due just to make sure because I know that you do have. Oh, chapter 3. Okay, this coming weekend. So you know what? I was gonna kind of let you guys go with this one here, but let me go ahead and start a little bit of chapter 3, just a little, because we have to. It helps if you're somewhat ahead this weekend, 31st. because your exam comes right after that. So I'll go over it briefly and then we'll continue from there. Okay.
When
But
is
do you
our
guys have any questions about this?
when is our exam?
Your first, well, are you both in this section here, 32400?
Yes,
I,
I,
okay.
I think so.
So it's on the 7th of February. So
I'm
you do
in
have some time.
32430.
Okay, so with for you,
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were in the same
no,
one.
no, no, no. That's what I'm saying. I do have the session for both classes at the same because it's literally the same class but different pace.
Oh,
Her
okay.
class is 8 weeks, so yeah, her class is an exam this weekend. Yeah, because it's twice as fast. So let me go ahead and start the new chapter just a little bit. I'll start the new recording, new chapter, just to get ahead. And then it will help her out. I mean, so in your case, I think what I did with the 32430, I did post last winter's, and not really winter, I think it's actually fall. I did post fall's videos, collaborate sessions in there just in case. So I think that's what I have in here, just in case I was falling behind. Yeah, I do have those in here. You can see the part one and part two. They're already posted. That way you don't have to wait. If you feel like you're falling behind, not falling behind, but because I'm going the pace of the 16-week class and you want to get ahead and stay with the 8-week class, feel free to go in here. They're already posted. So for you, if you just go in the class, go to course assignment, click on chapter 2, these are already posted. Now the video that I have here is for a different semester, but it's the same content. I will post this one here whenever we're done today and everything encodes.
Are you
Okay.
showing us something? Because we can't see anything.
Oh, I forgot. Thank you. You know, I'm glad you said something. So when I'm in that mode of sharing files, I cannot share my screen and share files. So I do apologize about that. Let me see. Let me stop doing this, stop sharing, and then start sharing again. I was sharing the screen. Okay, so here we are. Now you can see infinite loop screen. Okay. So I was saying that for we class the 32430, when you go to chapter 2, I already have the one from last fall posted just because your class is going twice the speed of the 16-week class. I may not get to everything. So to make sure you don't fall behind, if you go to the Collaborate chapter 2, you will see the PowerPoints, I'm not the PowerPoint, the presentation already posted. This is not from this semester, this is from last year, but it's the same content. So if we don't get done with chapter 3 before your exam, then chapter 3 collaborate from last year is already posted. I have 3 parts, even a review. Okay, so you can work ahead, and I have this posted for your class because we are working. You guys are only 8 weeks long, and you should be done by March. So for your class, your exam is this weekend. For the other class, is the second. Okay, it's not the second. Sorry, it's February 7th. So yeah, 2 different classes. I do apologize. I couldn't have 2 different sessions because I don't have that many people showing up, right? So yeah, for the other classes, the 7th. I normally don't have many people showing up in 1405 sessions. So anyway, let me end this recording here so